These are some Siderite nodules that were cut in half, and I just hardly know how to begin to identify the content, so your help is requested. These came from an area near Berea, Kentucky. And I plan to put these on a forum to see if I can get some professional help. So I will post what I find in the comments below the video, and perhaps someone who knows much more about these than I will help us out and do the same. The idea is that these Siderite nodules, these iron carbonate deposits, form around fossils. That's the idea.